Dubai chocolate, but with another flavor. The viral Biscoff Dubai chocolate. Before guys, I don't know kung na-vlog ko na before, ang ating kinain ay pistachio. The green, the one with the green filling. Okay, now let's try the Biscoff. It's right over here. This one, guys. Kunafa Biscoff. Okay? Ito, guys. Yan. Okay? So, without further ado, tayo ay kakain na naman ng chocolate! Yahoo! Siyempre, favorite natin lahat ang ating chocolate. Wala naman atang hindi mahilig sa chocolate. Puwera lang kung allergic sa chocolate. Pero lahat ng tao ay kumakain ng chocolate or chocolate or chocolate or chocolate. Okay? So guys, wait lang. Saan ang aking isang mobile, guys? Wait a minute. Kuha lang tayo ng ating mobile. So, syempre guys, gagawin natin ang kung paano kumain ng chocolate ang mga influencer versus non-influencer. So, di ba guys? So, try natin kung paano kumain ang mga influencer, guys. Gawa tayo ng TikTok. Oh, di ba? So, ganito daw kakain ang mga normal people, how they eat chocolate. Oh, yan guys. Yan, buksan na natin ang ating Biscoff. Yan. Yan guys. Ito lang yung normal people, how they eat the chocolate. Yan guys. This is how they eat the chocolate. Pero pag influencer daw guys, ganito ang paano kumain guys. Okay, lalagay natin ulit. Yan. Pag normal people, pag influencer, ganito sila kumain ng chocolate guys. Ganyan daw guys. O, di ba wala tayong plate?